Time 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. It just took me about maybe 20 minutes or so to get this wheel back on. I'm gonna try and film if I can set up the camera right when I mount the rear tire or rear wheel, or change the tires, should I say. This one's on now. Phase wires and hall sensors are connected, and all the necessary wires. Got the relay somewhere down here, which I'm not using right at the moment. You can see I've clipped that and sealed the ends. That's just usually for the lights to keep the electricity down. So tomorrow I will try and get my camera to show how I'm going to go through this process here. I'm really kind of knackered right now, so yeah, but it's looking okay. Phase wires are okay because there's no resistance to the wheel. So all right, we'll see y'all later.